So welcome back to my channel. My name is Noelle. Hi, how you doing? And off rip, I'm lying in this title because this is not going to be an unboxing video. I've been using this bag for about a week and a half to 2 weeks. Yeah, and spoiler alert, I love it. It's probably like gonna be my to-go bag for like a minute. So if you see me on Instagram with this bag and multiple pictures, don't say anything to me because it is what it is. So this is a review of the Telfar Medium Shopping Bag in gray by the brand Telfar Global. It is a vegan leather, I believe. And this bag is really amazing and versatile. It comes in 3 different sizes. There's the mini, the medium, and then the large, which is like a huge bag. It also comes in a variety of different colors. I can't give you like an exact number because I believe like the colors get rotated seasonally. But you know, there's always like the staple black, gray, and white, and tan, I think they always have, but they have more colors like depending on the drops and whatnot. So a little bit about the brand before I get into the actual like specs of the bag. The brand is Telfar Global, which the head designer is Telfar Clemens, who's a really amazing Black and queer designer. The like slogan of Telfar is like not for you, it's for everyone, and all of their clothes are unisex and they are, I believe, they're sustainably sourced. Don't get me to lying on these people, but I know the bag is made out of sustainable leather. But they make really interesting like deconstructed sweatpants, jeans situations, and just make like really interesting deconstructed pieces from like American favorites like ribbed tank tops that have like 3 straps and stuff. But I would say that their staple piece is the shopping bag. It's just a very squared off, structured, everyday bag. If I'm looking in the distance, because I'm looking in the mirror behind me. But yeah, it's a squared off, everyday bag. It has this one large crossbody strap. It's actually very long, and then one handlebar. It also has a metallic clasp. I don't want y'all to, honestly, the inside of my purse is very wild right now, but, and also don't mind my nails because they're really gross. But there's a metallic clasp on the inside, so your stuff is not in danger of falling out. I purchased this on, I got this bag on Farfetch for $220, not including shipping and handling. I believe that's the same price it retails for, but the only reason I didn't buy it on the Telfar site was because these bags are really popular, and if you have your eyes on like a certain color or shape, you have to move, color or size, you have to move quickly because they get sold out pretty often. And I really wanted the gray because I feel like I own too much black, so I wanted to try something a little bit different, but something that I could still wear to work and out and going out. But yeah, so all of that to say that if you want to purchase the bag and your preferred whatever is not on the Telfar site, you can go on Farfetch and they will have a decent selection. The shipping is a little bit expensive, but it's the same retail price. It is $200 if I didn't mention that already, which is a little bit pricey if you're not in the market for a really quality leather bag, but for what you're getting, it's definitely worth it. I mean, it's not like a cheap H&M $20 tote, but also this is gonna last way longer than an H&M bag is. Like, you're making an investment into this really dope piece, and if you're interested in supporting Black designers or queer designers, this is definitely like a solid staple to start your collection. What else can I say? I will say that the medium, it's a little bit smaller than I thought it was. For some reason, I thought I'd be able to keep my laptop in here, but I believe the bag is only 13 inches across. So if you have the 11-inch MacBook, you should be good, but anything other than that, it's definitely not a laptop bag. That's fine, and just as long as you know that. What else size? So let me show you what it actually looks like on the body. Give y'all a little bit of lookbook tease. Okay, so this is how I normally wear it, with the crossbody on my shoulder like this. It's a little bit funky because I have a lot of just like my work crap in there right now. So this is usually how I wear it, with the embossed logo, handlebar, and it's clamped shut so nothing falls out. If I'm really like on the move or anything, I'll do this situation if it's mad hectic while I'm commuting. It's a good size, like you can fit phone, notebook. If you want to bring food in like a food container, it'll fit in there. Wallet, basically everything that you need on a day-to-day basis besides your laptop. The straps also can go inside. Okay, I'm not sewing this, but it can go inside, and it can be a little handheld situation. But for my purposes and commuting and this being my day-to-day work bag, I do prefer the crossbody situation. So that was kind of my quick and dirty review of the Telfar Medium Shopping Bag in gray. Definitely worth picking up if you're interested in a new everyday bag for this holiday season. I believe they're having a Black Friday sale. I think the whole site is 20% off, but this will be uploaded. This will be uploaded way after Black Friday. It's actually Black Friday today, so I don't even know why I'm mentioning that. But I'm sure they'll do holiday restocks, so this is a perfect little gift for yourself for this holiday season. So I hope you enjoyed this review. Thank you for coming to my channel. There will be more fashion and beauty related content coming very soon. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and have a great holiday season, folks. TTYL.